Hello and welcome to Yellow Brick Road Reselling. We're going to do something a little different today. I am doing a screen share on my iPhone, so it's going to look a little different. Sorry for the small size and that's not going to be large. It's the only way that I could figure out how to share my screen. Today I want to talk to you about an app called InRoute, INRoute. It's what I use when I'm doing a sourcing road trip and if I want to look for a specific store. In this case, we're going to use Walgreens, and I'm going to go from my home or residence to a 3-hour drive, which is in the Syracuse area, and I'm going to show you how I use the app. You can download the app from the App Store. I'm going to open it up. There's my home. It shows you your location is in green. I'm going to go up and type in the store name. In this case, I'm going to type in Walgreens, and then I'm going to click search down below in the green. It's going to come up with all the Walgreens in my area. I'm going to add them to the map, and then I'm going to go down and find that drop pin. Just ignore it. I'm going to go down to Syracuse, which is where I'm going to travel to, and I'm going to type in Walgreens. I'm going to search again. It'll search whatever is showing on your screen. In this case, it did Syracuse, so I'm actually going to go up and do from the last Walgreens up there to Syracuse, so it populates for any stores that are in between. And then what you do is you hit the little green pin marks and you select whether it's your starting destination, if it's a waypoint, a place you want to stop along the way, because there will be pins that'll pop up that you won't be stopping at, and then you put in your final destination. You can do more than one store. You can type in Walgreens, Walmart, Home Depot, whatever store you want to go to. And then if I already have a hotel reservation, then I will actually put that in, have that drop a pin on the map, and use that as my destination. So in this case, I'm still going through and I'm just going to select a bunch of these pins to show you what you do. So you just collect them as waypoints. Does not matter the order that you put them in, because when you select your destination, InRoute will automatically put the best route to get from your starting point to your ending point and let you save time and all that distance and all that kind of stuff. So it is right now thinking about the track that it's going to give me. There you go. It just populated and it showed it. And you can actually go and hover on any of them and find out how long it's going to take you to get from point A to B, and to go to from the beginning to the end. It'll tell you, I can't see, the print is really tiny on my screen, but I think that said 4 minutes. So that's one of the apps that I use. I absolutely love it. I use it pretty much anytime I hit the road. I'll use it to chart out my path and save me some time on figuring it out on my own. It does have the ability, if you hit the go button, it will start to track your, tell you the directions on how to get there. So, hey, if you like this type of content, please subscribe to my channel, hit the thumbs up, and while you're at it, follow my Amazon 101 playlist. I will be sharing more apps that I use on a regular basis to that playlist. All right, thanks. Enjoy.